it's Claire Saunders from What's New in Electronics on day 2 of IPC Apex, and I've been joined by Bruce from Multiline Technology. How are
Hi,
you?
Claire. I'm doing well.
Good, good. So Bruce, could you firstly tell me a little bit about Multiline Technology as a company?
Yeah, I'd be happy to.
Thank you.
Multiline was invented in 1983 and became an instant leader. They actually invented the post-edge punch, which is used in manufacturing and PCBs, and it does inner layer registration
Okay.
for the layers on the PCB, and it's been well known throughout the industry for all this time, well over 40 years. And in 2016, Multiline actually went out of business in the North American market.
Okay.
But WKK, which is a well-established, over 50-year-old, actually 50-year-old company in Hong Kong that has been around forever doing distribution in Asia, has bought it in 2016. So they bought the worldwide rights to Multiline.
Okay.
Yeah, and so they bought the rights, but there was, at the time, it didn't seem to make a lot of sense to focus on the North American market because, excuse me, because most of the PCBs were manufactured in Asia.
Okay.
It was where the market was.
So you've been focusing out there. You've been in Asia in that sort of gap time.
Yes, since
Okay.
2016. And during that time, well, first of all, as I said, they invented post-edge punch, and inner layer registration accuracy was their focus. And so when WKK bought it, it was already a well-established leadership brand in this process.
Yeah.
And WKK in Asia then went ahead and improved on the product, made a number of adjustments and improvements to satisfy the march of technology, the variances in the inner layers, and to meet the demands of high density interconnect in PC boards. And so we've got a product now, we've got a product line, but we've got our flagship product is now got accuracy of 7.6 microns, which is pretty much leader in the or leadership level in the industry. And we also do about 9 panels a minute, depending on the model, which is a good rate. We've got, like I said, a variety of products to meet everybody's need. We've got also a variety of options, such as brass fittings and things that can actually bring the accuracy level even tighter.
Okay.
So, as I said, these improvements have been taking place in Asia over the last 9.5 years. And due to recent geopolitical shifts, it seemed like now was a great time to look at bringing the machine back to North America.
Okay. Okay. So that's, I guess, why you're here, why you're present at the show.
That's why we're here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how is it being taken? I mean, I'm presuming people know about it, like you say, it's been around, but because it's been out of this region, are you having to completely reintroduce it as a sort of a new product again, or how's it being received?
Well, it's funny because there's been a lot of older gentlemen walk up to our booth initially and go, Multiline, I used to do this, or I used to do that, I used to service it, or I used to sell it, or whatever. So there's a lot of industry recognition. And then as the show has gone on, we've talked to a number of established PCB manufacturers right now who recognize the name right away.
Okay.
And they're very interested. We've been having a lot of interest. We've been asked to do some quotes.
Okay.
So the introduction's gone very well.
The reintroduction. So yeah.
Reintroduction.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
thank you.
Well, that's great, and obviously, you know, you're going to have a new audience as well, because, like you say, there's a group of older people that we're all aware of in this industry,
Yeah.
but there are thankfully some younger people coming in as well. So you've
Yeah.
got a whole new bunch of people that you can show this product to.
Well, the young guys I talk to are actually pretty smart. So and they follow on real quick. So
Okay.
they oh yeah, I've heard of this. Even the young ones. So,
Oh, okay, cool,
yeah.
fantastic.
Yeah.
So lots of opportunity for you then.
I think so. We're just setting up. We just started this process. Actually, the first of this year.
Okay.
So getting ready for Apex, putting in place what we envision is a very robust support for installation, repair. What's important to the customers with a machine like this is it's in a line that just really can't be down for long.
Yeah.
The equipment has to stay running.
Of course.
And that's key. And so it's the equipment's designed for that, but it's actually, on that note, it's interesting because there's a lot of old Multiline machines out there still very actively in service, and that's another market for us because they're after 25, 30 years of use, they're becoming end of life.
Yeah.
Right? So we've got that going for us, and then we've got the new wave of very high density interconnect customers. The requirements of mil spec and space are leading technology in a direction that you have to advance.
Yeah.
So we've got both sides covered, and the reception's been very good.
Brilliant, fantastic. Well, I'm really pleased that I got a chance to chat to you and find out about it.
Yeah.
And we're looking forward to finding out how things are going. I'm sure we'll catch up again at another event soon.
I look forward to it.
But I wish you all the best and congratulations and welcome back to the market. Although it's not my local market, as you can probably tell from my voice. But welcome back into North America again.
Yes, thank you.
Cheers, thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye.